Good morning. Today I am going to discuss about the Van der Waals equation of state. Van der Waals modified the ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to nRT, to adapt it to the behavior of real gases. He introduced two correction terms into the ideal gas equation. One is volume correction, another one is pressure correction. Volume correction is related to its volume of the molecules, and pressure correction is related to the intermolecular force of attraction. And this equation is known as Van der Waals equation. P plus An square divided by V square into V minus Nb is equal to nRT, where A and B are Van der Waals constants. N is the number of moles of a gas, and the Van der Waals constants are characteristics of each gas. Here An square divided by V square is called the pressure correction term, and Nb is called the volume correction term. Let us consider volume correction. The volume of a gas is the free space in the container in which molecules move about. The volume V of an ideal gas is the same as the volume of the container by considering the molecules in a gas are buoyant masses and possess no volume according to the kinetic theory of gas molecules. So here the volume of the gas is equal to volume of the container in the case of ideal gases. Whereas we know that postulate is not correct. Molecules possess its volume, then the dot molecules of ideal gas have zero volume, and the entire space in the container is available for their movement. However, Van der Waals assumed that molecules of a real gas are rigid spherical particles which possess a definite volume. So the volume of a real gas is therefore ideal volume minus the volume occupied by the gas molecules. This is the volume occupied by the gas molecules. If B is the effective volume of the molecules per mole of the gas, the volume of the ideal gas equation is corrected as V minus B. Here B is the effective volume occupied by the gas molecules. So in case of real gases, this effective volume is not available for their free movement. In the case of ideal gas, all the space are free to move, whereas in the case of real gas molecules, this is their effective volume, or it is known as excluded volume. Then for n moles of the gas, the corrected volume is V minus NB, where B is termed the excluded volume and which is constant and characteristics for each gas. And this excluded volume is 4 times the actual volume of molecules. The excluded volume is not equal to the actual volume of gas molecules. In fact, it is 4 times the actual volume of molecules, and it can be calculated by considering bimolecular collision. Here two molecules of radius r colliding with each other. Obviously, they cannot approach each other closer than a distance 2r apart. Here, this is the volume in which no other particles can't come to closer to it, having radius 2r. Therefore, the space indicated by the dotted sphere having radius 2r will not be available to all other molecules of the gas. This space is not available for other gas molecules for their movement. In other words, the dotted spherical space is excluded volume per pair of molecules. Thus, excluded volume for two molecules, excluded volume for two molecules equal to 4/3 pi, radius is 2r cube, which is equal to 8 into 4/3 pi r cube. Then excluded volume per molecule. Here excluded volume for two molecules equal to 8 into 4/3 pi r cube. Then excluded volume per molecule will be 1/2 into 8 into 4/3 pi r cube. Volume, excluded volume per molecule, that can be represented by VE, excluded volume per molecule, VE, and that is equal to 8/2, that is 4 into 4/3 pi r cube. We know that 4/3 pi r cube is the volume of actual molecule. Here actual molecule having radius r, so the volume of actual molecule is 4/3 pi r cube. So excluded volume is equal to 4 into volume of actual molecule Vm. Therefore, in general, excluded volume of the gas molecules is 4 times the actual volume of molecule.